I wanted to show you how I sew the other pattern, the other leaf that's in your pattern, because the leaves are, separation of the leaves are really tight, really close together. So I wanted to show you, I'll go around and do a couple to show you how I do those. So I'm starting as before, zigzag is on 4 on my machine, and the stitch is not too close together. So just, it's the first time around. A little closer together now that I see it. Okay, so as before, we sew right off the edge. Oops. Leaving a little bit of thread. I'm going to cut the original, the beginning threads so they don't get mixed up. Tangled. Okay, so as before, as with the white one, we're going to go around this one, but we're going to fold this one really neatly out of the way. Okay, so we're going to use the thread to pull it through. And pull it back down and go around carefully. And your hole there. There it is. And then fold the first one out of the way. And here we're going to pivot. There you go. So as you go along, you just fold them out of the way and fold them back, leaving your strings, of course, to help you go around again when you go around another time with a tighter zigzag, possibly in another color if you think you want something darker. Once you've seen what you've chosen, I've chosen a darker green on this one. All right, so I'll see you in the pattern.